We add the object, suppose business class. So dot set, this is the default method. Run this code, it will select business option. So one thing you'll remember is we used select for win list, and we used select also for win combo box. Now for radio button we'll use set, and also for the next thing which I'm going to show is checkbox. We use set for radio button and checkbox if you want to select the option. For checkbox, click on file, open order. So when you click on open order, you have this option for checkbox. So the checkbox for customer name has been added, and same way as we did for radio button, even for checkbox we'll use dot set option. Here if you see, you got an error called as invalid number of parameters. So why this error come? In radio button, like we just have to set the option, we just have to select, but in case of checkbox it can be either on or off, right? In radio button you just have to select any one of the option. You can either select this or this or this, whereas if you see in checkbox we have the option to select both, or we can keep it off for any one or off for both. That's why we need some added parameter which is on or off. So set off is, it will uncheck the box, whereas on will check the box. Since it's already off, I'll keep it on. And now when I run it, so as you can see, it checked the box. Next is, you can also capture the images of the test run. For example, in my flight reservation, suppose initially it's unchecked, and suppose I'm checking these first two options and I want to capture this. Since it's important for a tester, if there's a bug or something in this page and I want to display it to the developer that this bug has actually occurred, so we might need the screenshot of this page, so of this dialog box. So what we can do is, in our code, as we are proceeding with the code, we can enter the option of taking the screenshot. So the code is desktop dot capture bitmap, and we have to give the file name. Now the file name, I can save it anywhere. It could be any predefined location, and I'm saving it in my C folder, and I'll name it as screenshot.bmp. Now remember that only BMP or PNG images can be saved. Now screenshot.bmp does not exist, but if it exists and I want to override it, I can write true. Suppose this image with the name screenshot.bmp already exists in C drive, then what I can do is I can override it when I give true, and if I give it false, it won't. So now when I run it, now this code is checking the radio button business. Okay, we don't want this, we'll comment this. Now what we wanted to see is that it, after selecting the open order, it has to check these two boxes. Okay, so the code for one of the box we have already added, we'll add it for the second box, that is the flight date. So I'll add the object flight date. Okay, and I'll drag it and dot set on. Sorry. So what this code will do is, After these two steps are performed, QTP will just capture a bitmap image of whatever it can see on the desktop, and it will save it in the given location. So when I run this code, my file is open. I can run this code. Checked two checkboxes, and let us see if it has taken the screenshot. So you can see screenshot.bmp is existing over here. I open it, and I can see the actions which are performed by QTP has been captured in an image.